What's up, guys? Hope everyone is good. Today's video is about changing the steering wheel. If you see over here, I have the old carbon fiber which matches my interior. So we did this brand new steering wheel. It's forged carbon fiber, by the way. It's a hell of a beauty. And we listened to you. The bottom one that was straight, kind of like straight, not a full circle, it's changed to a full circle. If you see this, it's a full circle. So basically what this video is going to explain: how to remove the steering wheel, what to do, remove the battery so that the airbag doesn't go off, and it's going to be in parts like usual. We're going to move the airbag from this steering wheel, actually yours is going to be the OEM, to this one. Then we're going to move these two sides with the buttons, screws at the bottom, and then Clockspring. Do not touch it. Beginning of the video I'm mentioning it. Clockspring, do not touch it. I'll show you what not to do and what to do. So that's the video of the forged carbon fiber steering wheel from Cartrimhome. Enjoy the video, guys. Let's do this. So now we're gonna take off the battery so that the airbag doesn't go off. If you see, I have some fog lamps and then pod lights. This is dynamics. We're gonna remove the battery and then we're gonna move to the truck so that we can change the steering wheel. I apologize for the sound, the heater, guys. As you know, I'm late for some videos. Unfortunately, the weather in Canada is too cold to work outside, so I took liberty of my friend's garage. He's one of my oldest friends that usually in the winter I use his garage. So once we take off the battery, as you see, I've put on the light inside so that you're gonna be able to see what we're working on. So let's start by, at the bottom right there, to pry out the backing. I'm gonna move and change places. I probably know the heater is annoying, so let me move and open the window and change places so that you guys see. Okay, boys, so we're gonna pry the piece in the back right there to remove this piece. Again, reminder, do not work with plastic outside in the cold. It will crack, it will break. So the garage is heated, so you have two heaters over there. So this is how you remove the plastic on the side, and this is how you remove the one on the top side. So once we have removed those plastics, you turn the steering wheel upside down, and we're using a T30 right there to remove the airbag. This is how we're gonna remove it. Again, guys, make sure that you remove the battery. Usually I don't, but because my friend is a professional, but you guys have to remove the battery so that the airbag doesn't go off. And leave it on neutral so that you can turn the steering wheel, well, actually not neutral, but basically turn on the keys, accessories. There are two, for the airbag, there are two T30s, left and right. As you see, now it's straight, and then we're removing the other side so that the airbag comes out. Again, guys, do not move, or once you remove the airbag, do not touch the clock spring. You're gonna break it, and it's expensive to replace. Okay, so I moved in the back of my truck so that you can see how the airbag is being removed. So you have that. He's using a picker. Second one, and that's it. That's how you remove the airbag. Remove the harness, and that's it. We place the airbag on in a safe place. This is the picker that it was used. So you just picked it, remove the harnesses. Now we're gonna remove the middle. Once you remove this, do not touch the steering wheel. Don't go left and right. You're gonna mess up the clock spring. I repeated it multiple times. It's important, guys. Okay, so now we're using a 19 millimeter to remove the middle steering wheel lug nut. So that's a trick that he does. He locks it. And that's it. Now you see how he removed the steering wheel. The new steering wheel is gonna be placed same exact position. If you place it in the middle, then it's gonna be wrong. So make sure you place it exactly the same. Now we're removing this harness, again with the same picker. That's how you remove the harness. Those are the steering wheel controls, kind of. See now the steering wheel is kind of straight, a little bit to the right, and this is how you have to remove the steering wheel. The trick is to do this before removing the steering wheel, or else it's not gonna come out. So this is the easiest way to make it come out. So this is very important so that this doesn't turn. This is the clock spring that I've been telling you. Make sure it doesn't turn. It has to be straight. Because your steering wheel, whenever we removed it, the steering wheel was straight. And actually, the white stripe will help you, which I chose for the new one. I chose the red stripe. Those are important, guys. Make sure you follow those, or else your clock spring is gonna be bad. So my friend over here, he just sticks it so that it doesn't turn. This is a trick you can do so your clock spring, it doesn't turn. We're gonna move everything. It's a Phillips screwdriver. We're gonna move everything that there is on this steering wheel, on the new steering wheel that we got, the carbon fiber forged steering wheel. We're in the process, he's in the process of removing everything. It's pretty straightforward, simple. I chose to do it in the truck so that we don't have to move inside on the table and then work, because I can video and show you how we're doing it in this position better than taking everything inside and working. So as you see, I have the carbon fiber stick-ons, which matches my whole truck, which is available through Cartrimhome. I chose not to put those. So these are the two steering wheel buttons, or that we're gonna be moving to this steering wheel. Now there's also that signal cruise control to be moved, so make sure you move that too. And then 2 more screws, I think we're gonna be done. So this is the cruise control. There you go. And then this little metal thing, what is this for?
Balance.
Balance. So this is for the balance. And with this metal balance thing, we're done. We're gonna be moving to the new steering wheel to be able to install it. Remember to remove the back plastic, same time. Press on the knobs gently and then it just slides off from the back. That's all there is to it. I'll decide what to do with my steering wheel. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Not maybe, 100% I'm gonna do a giveaway. Share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna do the giveaway for that steering wheel. Although it's used, but who's the lucky winner that is gonna be using it? I mean, it's still new, but as you see now, we're placing the back plastic like so. It just clicks in place, nothing to it, and just goes in place. Now we're putting the balance back where we took it off from that steering wheel, the old one, with the 2 screws that we took off. And then we're gonna put the cruise control, if I'm not mistaken. So reverse, the way that you took it off, you reverse putting it back in. So you slide it from inside and then match the holes, the screws, and put it in place. You can't go wrong. You can't put it in a different position. So don't be scared. It's just that you slide it from there and then to that side outside. And now we're putting back these buttons, controls, volume, etc. There you go. I think I like this. It pops out the carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber, and even though it matches, I mean, some people don't like it. On both cases, I'm gonna be changing my whole truck interior to black, piano black, like the T10 V3. So that's how you put in your controls back again. You just match the hole right there, then it clicks in place. Don't worry about overlapping, because this thing overlaps the leather. The leather is done beautifully. You don't have any excess. This is an amazing flywheel. It's a nice steering wheel. That's the last screw. Yeah, it's the last screw that we're putting it in. I think there's 2 more, if not mistaken. Yeah, there's 2 more. By the way, my videos are exactly the same exact time that it takes you to change it. That's why I don't edit those videos, so that you will be able to see how much time it takes for the products to be installed, rather than just speculating. This is exactly the time. My video time is exactly the time that it needs for this steering wheel to be performed and swapped. So you follow the process that you removed, and then you reverse the process, you put it back. Tidy up the wires, make sure you connect everything. The backing is good. Double check everything before putting it back. And make sure nothing is rattling. The harnesses are inside the balance. And if you see, put the wire in, the tape, it comes in play now, like you saw previously. The spring, Clockspring didn't move, and all this is done by a single person. I'm not even touching the steering wheel. My friend is working alone, so it's a one-man job. So as you see, the steering wheel is tilted to the right, like we took it off. That stripe will help. If you have an issue with that, just mark it and then connect those harnesses back like so. Make sure everything is fit. Put it under that metal balance right there. And now put back what you removed. You will tighten it. Again, lock the steering wheel. Make sure that it's locked and then tighten it. So you see the steering wheel is not moving, it's moving just a bit. You don't have an issue with the Clockspring. And that's how it's tightened. So the steering wheel is back. What a beauty. We're putting back the airbag right now. So here's how you hold the airbag inverted. You put in the cable. This is, I think, the negative. The neutral, if I'm not mistaken. And then flip it the other way so that the wires are a bit longer so that you can plug it in. Now make sure that yellow thing is open because it has a lock. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. So I don't know, it took what, 15 minutes, 20 minutes? I haven't even edited this video yet. I'm gonna edit it, put it together, timestamp it. We don't need a timestamp, but whatever. We'll timestamp it. And we put back the screws, however we remove them on both sides. You tighten it. I think it's a T30 we said in the beginning. So you tighten both ends. Now you have to put the plastic back like we remove it in the beginning of the video. I'm gonna move to the other side, go back down, and while we turn the steering wheel, I'm gonna show you how to put back the plastic. Okay, so I moved to this side so that the plastic, there's kind of a trick to it to put it in. So here, just match, it's like a puzzle, you know, like match the model, and that's it. Push from the bottom, and then from top it just matches itself. Now turn the steering wheel. Again, accessory should be on. Make sure you tighten this side too. And once we're done, we're gonna put back the plastic and we call it a day. That's all there is to the steering wheel carbon, forged carbon fiber from Cartrimhome. Link is gonna be in the description for any of your purchases or any of your products from Cartrimhome. All my videos, they have all the descriptions of the same exact video and more. Please join my 4Runner group. Also, there's the T10 or T9 or T-Series group. You're more than welcome to join. Make sure you answer all the questions, and with exclusive coupons. So as I said, exclusive coupons in each video and with the exact description. We're done tightening it. Now the plastic. Push that way first and then it's gonna go this way. We're putting back the battery right now. We're gonna hook up the battery so that to test everything, test out the horn and airbag to see if there's an airbag light or anything like that, which we shouldn't have any issues. So that's it, guys. We installed the forged carbon fiber from Cartrimhome. I'm gonna go in and show you how beautiful this thing is. Like, wow. So if you see, wow. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. A lot of you asked me in my group, 4Runner group, to make this video available step by step on how to change the steering wheel. So we're gonna turn on to make sure everything is. I'm gonna turn off this first. Perfect. So now there's no light, no nothing. Honk works. And I'm gonna test everything. So this is the cruise control and everything seems to be working. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you at all times. Link is gonna be in the description of the video with the details, exact link, and the coupons. Thumbs up. Love you all.